Welcome to the course. These are exciting times where people are able to now create a business out of their mobile phones and devices. For many years, you'd often hear people say, "Do you have a website?" Which is now turning into, "Do you have an app for that?" The demand for app developers is growing every single day. Business owners are requesting an app. App developers are needed for that. New technologies such as the latest cars and appliances, all with touchscreens and mobile operating systems such as Android or iOS, require mobile apps. App developers are needed for all that as well. And as our entertainment needs inside of our home turn to smaller, streaming mobile TV boxes and app-enabled televisions, more and more people are requesting apps be made for their various lifestyles and needs. Suffice it to say, app developers are needed for all that and much more. Welcome to the wide world of mobile applications, which is taking the world by storm. You can't find a person anywhere that has not heard of the word app, nor can you argue with the fact that billions of dollars a year are being paid out to developers of apps. There's a demand for it, and where there's a demand, there's money to be made. That being said, the mobile app business requires dedication, a sound plan, and steps to break into the mobile app industry. In this course, we'll be taking a look at the steps required to come up with an app idea, all the way up to running the app business daily. There are many programs out there that may teach a part of the app business, such as simply teaching you how to make an app or how to market and promote your app. But how many will teach you the entire basics of the app business? Remember, the app business isn't just about getting an app made and making a few $1,000s in a month and thinking that's what's going to happen forever. It's much more. And too many times, newcomers to the industry come in with a new app, make a few $1,000s, then never see another dime, and they give up on the business. That's because they came in with the wrong intentions and a lack of understanding in the app business. Don't let that be you. In 2013, for example, I was bringing in up to $1,000 a week. How much would that change your life if you could make that kind of passive income? Some of the top game studios with many staff around the world are able to make millions in a week. Just check out Supercell, the creators of Clash of Clans, who bring in $2.4 million a day. Unfortunately, the reality is that most app developers won't even make enough money to pay for the price of coffee in a month. And in my opinion, that's due to the fact that they rushed into the business without understanding it or a proper plan. In this course, I will begin by giving you that plan, a blueprint to start you off in the right direction with more knowledge so you have a better shot at success. We'll be starting off by learning about the various types of app models and types of apps. After that, we're going to learn more about the basics of the app industry that you should know before you're creating any app at all, and more about starting your own app business. We move on to actually learning the steps involved in creating and launching your app to the various major marketplaces, and then we get into advanced concepts. In the advanced concept section, you'll learn some incredible methods that are used to really have an edge over the competition, as more than 1 million apps are available on the App Store, and this number grows daily. Finally, we will end the course with a brief review, as well as an awesome list of bookmarks that I've collected over the years, and even some final thoughts and tips on the next steps that you could take. Listen, this is a no-nonsense course taught by a real app developer. So please join me as I take you by the hand through the wonderful world of mobile apps and the app business. Let's move on to the next few lessons as I get you to download the course book as well as learn if this program is right for you.